Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am tired. I am in North Carolina, as you can see by my background, and I am back in Charlotte just for one day only. I got to see my baby, Bambino. But today I'm actually coming home because I am helping my brother move into school, which is just... Since when is he old enough to go to school? And I am in Charlotte. I'm going to Raleigh this morning. We're moving him into NC State, which is where I went to school. Go Pack. Like, a lot of you are from like my college days, but also most of you actually aren't. I think only 100,000 of you are from college and the rest of you are not. So fun fact, I went to NC State. I graduated in 2018 and now I am going back to move him into a dorm, which is just so freaking weird. I feel like when I step back on campus, people are still gonna think I go there because I literally look so young. Like, I literally get that I look 14 all the time. Slightly insulting, but honestly, I don't really care. I travel a lot. Also, I feel like I've been kind of like on the move lately. One thing that people ask me a lot is like, oh, do you like traveling? Do you like working in different places? Do you like being out of your routine for so long? If you guys know me, you know that my morning routines are the most sacred part of my day. Hi, baby boy. Can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. He's so cute. Anyways, to answer that, the morning routines are my favorite part of my day, and I actually am proud of myself that I keep my morning routine even when I do travel. I was in New York, I was in New York, I was in Boston, I'm in North Carolina. When I go to literally anywhere else, I keep my morning routine. This morning I'm actually working out, and I did want to thank today's sponsor, which is Openfit. Thank you, Openfit, for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Openfit is, it is an all-in-one fitness platform for your health. It's for your fitness, it's for your nutrition, it's for your wellness. Like, it is the all-in-one app that you need to stay on track, and it's something that I have actually just recently started using, and I'm obsessed with it. You guys have been following me for a long time. I have had a workout routine since I was like a sophomore in college. I really, really love routine. I would say I am a relatively fit person, but I do not know how to work out without someone telling me what to do. They have the most encouraging trainers and they know what they're doing. So I have been obsessed with the trainers, and I'm actually doing the Pilates program. It's XB Pilates. So if you guys actually want to join with me, you can. You can join live classes. You can do programs with your friends. It's kind of a social way to work out. And I love the live classes portion because it holds you accountable to be there. I love the feeling of like, okay, I have to be on this class at 8 a.m. I don't see myself ever having a gym membership again. I have found that working out at home is so much more convenient, and with programs like Openfit, it literally makes it so easy. I mean, when you go to the gym, you have to commute, you have to park, you have to get in, and it just wastes a big portion of your day. So Openfit is great because you can get a workout in within like 30 minutes and you're sweating, you feel good, you're done, you can shower, and it's all in the comfort of your own home. And Openfit costs $8 to $10 a month billed annually, so it's so much more affordable. It's pretty much like you're going to Starbucks twice a month. So if you guys want to get 21 days free of Openfit, you guys can check out my link down below. Thank you so much, Openfit, for sponsoring today's video. That's perfect, guys. Chapel Hill right now. We just dropped off some of Chloe's stuff. So Chloe had already moved in. Her lease started, I think, like July. A few months ago. Yeah, in July. So she has been like slowly moving stuff in. Or June. Yeah, a long time ago. But we just moved in the rest of her clothes, and now we are headed to NC State. So we're headed to NC State to help move in Lucas. Hopefully he's already moved in by the time we get there, because we left at the same time as my family, and they were even actually a little bit ahead of us, and NC State is further away. So I think that they should be
unloading.
Yeah, done with the unloading, because
I think they are, because Natalie was moving the cars to a farther spot.
Yeah, so, yeah, I think they're done unloading. And it's funny because like I obviously went to NC State, and Lucas is living in the dorms on campus, which I lived in a dorm, but it was technically off campus. It was
like what Granville is to Chapel Hill.
Yeah, it was called University Towers, and they let freshmen live in it forever, but now they don't let freshmen live in it anymore, which kind of sucks. So he has an on-campus dorm, which is gonna be so different than mine.
And mine.
And yours, because ours were like so nice.
Yeah.
Like, they were very luxurious for dorms. Yeah. And he has like the traditional dorm, the cinder block walls.
It's like the 2 beds with the window between it, and just like the desk under it, and that's it. And like hall bathrooms.
So we will see what it looks like, but I'm so excited to kind of go back and see the campus and help move him in and meet his roommates and suite mates, and I 100% will be mistaken as a freshman. I know I will. I know people will think I'm moving in, so even though I went to college in 2014, which sounds like so long ago. That used to be my old college apartment. It's called Stanhope. I used to live there, and it was like super nice for a college apartment. And then over there, that building was my freshman year dorm, and it was also really nice. It had like a pool, sand volleyball, a gym. Like it was so luxurious. Yeah, it had a pool, and it had like a really nice food hall, like dining hall, instead of having to eat on campus. But
Zaxby's right there.
I hate Zaxby's. I went there once all my 4 years. Don't like it. But having a CVS underneath your apartment building was super, super convenient. So that was really nice. Raleigh has changed so much, and yeah, they're obsessed with roundabouts here.
This is literally horrible. I'm never gonna go.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to squeeze your way in. Like, just start inching.
Oh, that is horrible.
Yeah. All of this is new. Like, it's not new buildings, like the wing place was there, but this used to be like an alcohol store. Oh, there's like an acai bowl place, a dumpling place. Nice. That used to be nothing. There was like a Vietnamese like pho place, but like that was it.
What's this?
Campus. It's a building. All right, so this is Lucas's suite. So you walk in from this door. These guys definitely think I live here. And then you go down this hallway. And there's a bathroom, there's actually 2 bathrooms. And then switch that.
Oh, I was like, who was talking?
I really hate that poster.
Is it in there?
His roommates. Yeah. So funny, like guys, like girls, me and Mackenzie, my freshman year roommate, we would like coordinate our room to like look good together, and this, it's just, that's where he thought the extension cord would just be. His Xbox, his dresser, his iPhone, like, no. This has got to be fixed, so, yeah, we're gonna organize this. He's at a little party while we're fixing his room, so that's fun. We're at Target getting Lucas all of his stuff without Lucas. He's not even here, but we just got a ton of stuff for his dorm room, and it's about to storm, so hopefully we don't get caught in the rain. This is the final product-ish. So this is Lucas's side of the room, my brother's side of the room. Closet, you can clearly tell he has sisters. This little caddy for behind the door. His girlfriend made him that. His bulletin board and little whiteboard, like whiteboard calendar. We think we're gonna have to return this because there's nowhere to put it. And then this is the way it looks. So yeah, this is his room. I really like his side of the room. It's just, it's funny. It's why I don't get it. I don't get it. Anyways, really hope he doesn't watch this vlog. Back at Chloe's apartment, and I'm so excited to show you this little college apartment tour because this apartment is so nice. It's so much nicer than the apartment I had in college, and I feel like I had a pretty nice one when I was in school, but Chloe lives off campus, so it's not like only technically college whoa. It's not only technically college students that live here, but I do think it is the majority. So I'm gonna show you a little college tour. Being back here makes me just think back to my college days. So I wanna like walk down memory lane and just reminisce, because I can't believe I was in college. I was a freshman in college 7 years ago. 7 years ago. I don't know how valid my advice is anymore, you know? It's like I was trying to like give Lucas advice and stuff like that, and I'm like, but it was so long ago. Like, things have changed so much. Things are so different. Like, how good is my advice gonna be? But it's just crazy that it's been that long. So let me show you this tour. All right, so you walk into her apartment here. The lights are off, so let's, there. So this is her kitchen, and it looks like such a nice kitchen. Like, I love the color of the countertops, or of the cabinets, I should say. They're so pretty. Lots of like cooking space, which is really nice. Lots of spaces for like coffee machine, spices, all of that good stuff. Really big fridge. They literally have so much stuff in it. And then over here, you walk in. I think these are just like closets. Oh, washer, dryer. Pantry, which is super nice to have. And then,
Can you hear the trickling?
Yeah, what is that?
It's that
Is it? I thought it was Sarah peeing.
Sarah, did you hear that? What did she say? She goes, I said, do you hear the trickling? And she goes, yeah, I thought it was Sarah peeing.
Didn't want to point it out. Like,
I know. I was like, I think she's going to the bathroom.
no, it's that water, like, it trickles all day.
I was gonna say, I kind of like it. It sounds like a fountain.
I get it.
To me, it's annoying.
Yeah, it's kind of annoying. So you walk into their room. They have a little bar cart. And then their living room, which is super cute. And they had to furnish this all themselves.
But all the furniture is Furnitureland South, so if you need furniture, that's there.
Yeah, it is all Furnitureland South. So really cute. It looks like a legit home, not like a not like a college apartment. So Sarah's room is in there. And then you walk down this like giant hallway, super long. There's a room in here. One of her roommates is in here. This is like a closet, just with a bunch of random stuff in it. And then this is Chloe's room, and Chloe has her own bathroom, which is pretty big. Nice walk-in shower. And then this is cute. It's like a little mud room. Like, it's not a closet, but it's like you can put some extra stuff, hang some jackets, whatever you need. And then here's her room. She still obviously has not gotten her bed frame yet. Nothing's like on the walls. The desk was just built, so it's like very, very messy. But her closet is in here. It's a pretty decent sized closet, I would say. And then I'm staying here, so my stuff is all over the place. Being here is one of those moments where you have a realization that you are old. I'm 25, but it's just like, I don't feel that old. Like, it's weird because when I was in college, I feel the same as I do now. Like, I feel like I've grown up so much, and I obviously, you know, have changed, but I don't feel older, if that makes sense. It's like, I don't feel like, oh, I'm 25 and I'm so old. Like, when you're in your 20s, it's this weird stage of life because everyone says it's gonna be the best years, you know, just like college. Everyone says it's the best 4 years, and then your 20s are the best years. And I always hear that about every decade, but it's kind of like you feel like you're supposed to be living it up to the extreme and having fun and doing all this stuff. But then on the other hand, in your 20s is also the decade where people are getting married and they're having kids and they're starting families and they're working, you know, their way up their careers, or they're unemployed, or they're single, or they're, you know, doing grad school. Like, it's the age where everyone is doing something different, and no matter what, I'm convinced that like you feel behind. Like, I feel like your 20s are just the year that you feel like you're catching up to something, and I don't know why, because we all feel this way. Like every single one of my friends that I talk to feels that way. And like I feel like in college you think, oh my gosh, like I'm just in college, like this is all you're thinking about, like you're not really thinking that far ahead. And then when you're in your 20s, you're like, okay, well now I have the whole world ahead of me, and I have all these life events that I haven't done yet, but I need to do them because everyone else is doing them. And I just feel like no matter what you do, you feel behind. Like whether you're married with kids, whether you're single, whether you're, you know, unemployed, have a job, started a career, whatever it is, I feel like there's always someone else to compare yourself to that's doing better than you or doing more than you. And I don't know, just being here, it's like where did the time go? Like I was once 18 and in my dorm and packing up for school, and now I'm 25 and I'm like, I still feel like I don't know what I'm doing, you know? Let me know where you guys went to school, what age you are. I feel like I don't have college viewers anymore. My viewers are a lot older. So if you're still in school, comment that down below so I know. Thank you Openfit for sponsoring today's video. I am telling you, if you want to keep your routine, if you want to continue to work out and, you know, feel fit and strong no matter where you are, definitely click on my link to get those 21 free days. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.